How is it growing? Food scraps to compost in only 4 to 6 weeks. This is made easy with the essential bokashi compost bin, and here's how it works. Layer your scraps between layers of bokashi bran that has been inoculated with EM, effective microbes. Once it's full, let it ferment for 2 weeks. Then after 2 weeks, dig a hole, bury it. After another 2 weeks, it's usable compost. Through the whole process while it's in the bin, you've also got fertilizer on tap. Every 1 to 3 days, drain the leachate, which can be diluted 1 tablespoon per 1 gallon of water and used as a nutrient-rich fertilizer in the garden. And I love that these are stackable. So while one is fermenting, I can start a new batch. Full disclosure, Terraganics has partnered with Stacks Urban Harvest, and this means that you get a 15% discount when you use the link in the description and the promo code Stacks Urban Harvest. And I want you to know that I wouldn't have a partnership with a company or product that doesn't fit the vision, mission, and the content of this channel. For more information about bokashi composting, check out this other video. Live regeneratively and let's grow together.